Diane from Style Falcon, and this sew along is to make the secret jeans trousers. This is one of the best-selling patterns for Style Falcon because it does a lot of great double duty for you. You can make a pair of dress trousers, like illustrated here, or as on Ruby My Dress Form, or you can make a pair of mock jeans, like what is illustrated here, with all the top stitching and other details you would expect with jeans, but without so much work as a regular pair of jeans requires, and all kinds of special equipment and zippers and flies and rivets and all of that. This sew along is going to take you through everything from picking out your fabric, laying it out, cutting it, through sewing, top stitching, and final press and try on. Just to orient you a little bit to the secret jeans trousers, I'll just show you these are the technical flats for the pattern. And then I'll show you on the dress form. But the reason that they're a secret is right here, where you can see in this illustration, there is elastic just in the back. So in the front, you get a flat front. You have these inset style pockets, which are super useful. You gotta have pockets, right? But they don't bag out or create unflattering bumps or other things you don't want in a pair of pants. The mock jean style does have a patch pocket in the back like you'd have in any pair of jeans, and there's more top stitching options. So you can make it out of denim or twill or a heavier weight fabric and get a mock jeans look for a lot less effort. Or the dress pant, you can use a linen, you can use any kind of a suiting or woven bottom weight material, lighter weight material, or mix and match. Let me show you on Ruby the dress form what it looks like. The secret jeans trousers, like all Style Falcon patterns, are drafted for a mature figure. So what that means is there are a couple of fit elements that are built into these patterns. You don't have to make adjustments to get them to fit. And one of the biggest things is the waist. There's less waist definition than there is in a lot of other patterns that you may have tried. People who are, especially when you get older, or you have some children, or just you have medical issues, or whatever your story is, you may find that you don't have that typical hourglass figure that most fashion is designed for. And if you don't, you're going to have a hard time getting your clothes to fit. With the secret jeans trousers and other Style Falcon patterns, there's less hip to waist definition. There's a little bit, but not as much as there is in other patterns. So you will have a better fit, especially there's extra room in the belly area also if you need that. The patterns are made for someone about 5'4". So that's where they're hemmed. The pant has a hem for flats or a low heel. You could, of course, lengthen the pant or shorten the pant very easily depending on your height and what kind of shoes you like to wear. Here's a close-up of those inset pockets. They're a jean style pocket. This is a linen for the dress version, which is view A of the secret jeans trousers, but I'll also show you the denim version later with additional top stitching. You can see how there's a nice flat front. There is extra room in the belly there. And then when you go to the side, here's where the elastic is. The elastic is just in the back. And you can see how it fits in the back there's a little gathering back there, but depending on your shape and your butt, your belly, your waist, they may fit there may be a little more or less gathering in the back, and you can change that to your liking. And here's view B, the mock jeans style, which is made out of denim. There's a different facing on the inside to keep it light and comfortable. There's top stitching along the pockets. And then in the back, there are a couple of patch pockets, which I embellished with these paisleys because I'm fancy like that. Looking forward to showing you how to make these, and we will get started right away with the layout and cutting.